はい、皆さん、こんにちは。おがチャンネルです。今日も一緒に漢字を勉強しましょう。Hello everyone, this is OgaChannel. Okay, let's study kanji together. 今日は4つの漢字があります。Today we have 4 kanjis. Okay, the first one is Okay, the first one is he. The stroke 1, and then this is 2. 2. Okay, so keep in mind this is just 2 second stroke. Okay, all the way. Okay, I'm sorry about this, but 2. Okay, all the way here. Okay, literally slow down and then continue to go down. Okay, then this is 3 and then 4. Okay, you got it? 1, 2, and 3, 4. The meaning of it, day or sun. Day or sun. Then bushu radical is he. Again, day and sun. Kun reading, which is Japanese reading, is hi, bi, or ka. For example, 日曜日, right? 日曜日. So this one is bi here, right? However, the first one is, this kanji is nichi. So 日曜日. This is actually a combination of kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. 日曜日, which is Sunday. And then, again, onyomi is nichi, right? Nichi. So 何日. Okay, 何日 means what is the date. For example, 今日は何日ですか? Which means what is the date today? What is the date today? And also in another context, you can say how many days. So you can ask how many days, for example, do you have for holiday? Holiday in Japanese is 休暇. 休暇. So 休暇は何日ですか? Literally means how many days do you have for holiday? Okay, so 休暇, I can write here. Ki and small u. Okay, this is small u. And u and a ka. So 休暇 is holiday. Again, 休暇は何日ですか? How many days do you have for your holiday? Okay, the next one. Okay, this is home. The stroke is 1 and then here from top to down, 2 and 3 and 4. The last one is this one, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's like a sweeping here. Okay, sweeping. Okay, this angle. The meaning of it is book, origin, root, or this is very important. This is one of the Japanese counters for long cylindrical objects such as wine or tree. For example, 一本の wine, one wine. Or you can say 二本の木, two trees. Okay, 一本の wine, 二本の木. And then kunyomi is moto. Onyomi, Chinese reading, is hon. So as I mentioned, 一本, right? But here, this one, 一本. So pon, actually here is hon, right? This is pon. Why? Because depending on the word before hon, so in this case, ichi, right? Ichi, 一本. The pronunciation actually changed a little bit. So 一本, 一本. In case of two trees, we say 二本, 二本. Okay, 二本. So in kanji, of course, ni, right? So you can say nihon. You can write nihon. Yeah, like this. Okay, nihon. We can accept both nihon, this number, and also kanji as well. Okay. The last example is honto, honto. So if you have rising intonation, honto, like really? And then also the truth, the noun, right? Honto, truth. So is it the truth? Honto desu ka? And you can say, yes, it is truth. はい、本当です。はい、本当です。Okay, next one. Okay, the stroke is very simple. 1 and 2. Okay. and then 3, 4. These last two strokes look like katakana ra. And then here is like hito, right? Kind of hito. That's why bushu radical is human, hito. The meaning is now, present. Okay, now or present. And kunyomi is ima. So let's say, 今何時ですか? What time is it now? 今何時ですか? Then onyomi is kon. So for example here, 今月, which means this month. So kon is here, right? Then getsu is month. And then getsu actually have another reading, which is tsuki. So tsuki means moon. Okay, tsuki means moon. Okay, the next one is kotoshi. So here, kon actually is changed in its pronunciation. Ko, right? Ko, depend on this second kanji, toshi. We don't say kontoshi. Instead, kotoshi, which means this year. The last one is the special combination of now and day. Kyo, which is today. Okay, kyo. Okay, the next one. Okay, this is 7 strokes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Okay, 6. So 6 is just 1 stroke here. This is 6. Okay, this is 6. And then 7. The right side looks like katakana mu, right? Katakana mu. Then left side here is grain, like bushu, radical is grain. For example, ine is one of the kanjis which has this radical, ine. I mean, right here, it's very hard. One. Okay, so this one is really hard, right? So this is ine, I, and then ne. So rice plant, okay, rice plant. The meaning is private, I, me. Look at this kunyomi, watashi. And you can sometimes say watakushi, it's very polite. In the company meeting, you can say watashi or watakushi. Both are fine. Even males say watashi, watakushi. Onyomi is shi. For example here, shiritsu. Shiritsu means private. So shiritsu daigaku, so we learn daigaku, right? University. So shiritsu daigaku is a private university. Okay? Private university, shiritsu daigaku. On the other hand, public university, we say kouritsu. Okay? So this is ko, and then this is same actually. Okay? 3, 4, and then 5. So daigaku is same, of course. So kouritsu daigaku, which is public university. Kouritsu daigaku. Okay? I'm sorry for this terrible writing. Okay, how was it? So today, as usual, I'm going to put the link of this kanji sheet on my description. So if you want to practice, you can download it and please practice a lot. それではまた次回お会いしましょう。おがチャンネルでした。失礼します。またね。